been looking for a savior. I've been looking for a savior. I've been looking for a real one to hold on to. I've been looking for a savior.
What is going on, guys? It is your boy, Hair Tutorial God Jay. I am back with another hair tutorial on the channel, but this time, well, not another one. It's going to be an updated version. You guys all see my LaMelo hairstyle tutorial video. It is at 100,000 views, and it's time to do an updated version because I found a new way, guys. I found a new way to maintain the LaMelo ball. As you guys can tell, just look at my hair. I made it uncurly for the video. Well, it's still a little curly at the top, but like I made it all messed up and everything just so I can show you guys how to accomplish this hair. And this hairstyle, it's pretty easy, like really easy. But I also want to do the updated because you guys have been asking me so much questions about my hair, like hair type, let's see how long my hair is, the haircut, what's the haircut called, what color did I like dye my hair. You know, you guys have been asking me all that, so let me answer those questions first and then we'll get right into the tutorial. Let's do it. So the first thing you guys have been asking me is how long my hair is. Well, if I can get a piece of hair like this, my hair goes down to my mouth. Pretty good length, pretty good length. Now, LaMelo ball hair, his hair is definitely longer than mine. But that's how long my hair is. You guys wondering, oh, what did you bleach? How did you bleach your hair? This isn't bleach, guys. This is actually blonde coloring. Bleach is more of a very lighter tan color. And it's more like a yellowish. And bleach is something you can do at your own, but I got this done at the salon and I got it actually blonde. You guys also be asking what kind of haircut I get. Well, you can go to the barber or wherever you do to get your hair cut. It's basically just called, it's called a fro hawk, but a fro hawk fade because you want to get the sides faded. My sides ain't faded right now. Okay, they're not busting right now, so don't heat me in the comments about that. But those are just simple questions right there that you guys be asking me. And yeah, but I'm a light skin, as you guys can tell by the skin color. I have type, I think I want to say 4A. I'm not really sure with the hair types. I don't be staying up with the hair types. I just stay up with the trends. But yeah, this is the LaMelo ball hairstyle tutorial. Let me get you guys into the midst of how I accomplish this hair. Well, you'll see in the thumbnail. Okay, so guys, we're here, and you guys all know in my previous videos I still use the same products, okay? But I'm gonna show you guys those products real quick. I use this product the most. I changed it up, but this is the product I use the most. If you guys really want to accomplish this hair, get this product. This is called the Matrix Results Total So Long Damage. I got a bigger bottle. This is expensive, okay? I ain't gonna lie. This stuff is expensive, but if you guys don't have really good hair, make your hair come out really nice, you probably got to spend some money. I'm not gonna lie, you probably got to spend some money. But I also have the Matrix Results, the you know, this is the conditioner. What I like to do is, and I'm gonna explain this more, but I have to take a shower and everything, but I'm gonna explain what I do. So you have those two things, okay? But what are you gonna do, okay? You're going to put that stuff in your hair first. Get your hair wet. This is when you wash your hair. I also, before I get into that, I also want to tell you my wash schedule because it's always important if you want to grow your hair longer. Don't wash your hair every day, okay? You guys want to wash your hair approximately every 2 to 3 days. That's what I do for mine. My hair has grown a lot in the last 2 months. So with that being said, what I like to do is I get my hair wet. Once I get my hair wet, I put the shampoo and the conditioner in, okay? Put that in your hair. Let your hair, you know, get all in your hair everywhere. Let that sit for the whole shower. While you wash your body, do all the other stuff. You're gonna wash your whole body, but keep your stuff in your hair. Well, after you wash your body and everything, about the time you're about to get out, like right before you get out, you take everything out. So, you know, you wash your hair out, take it all out. And then, after that, I'll show you guys what to do after that. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm out the shower now. Okay, so this is how my hair looks when it's all wet and out the shower. You know, it's very wet right now. That's because I didn't dry it off yet. Okay, but I don't want to dry it off. We're going to be using the blow dryer instead. You might be asking, why? What if I don't have a blow dryer? Dang, this is going to be harder for you. But if your mom uses a blow dryer, anybody in your family, your household, then you're lucky. But if it doesn't work, then sometimes you just got to just let it air dry. But that takes a long time. That's why I want to use the you know what it's called. I can't think what it's called. That's why I use the blow dryer. But I'm gonna go get the blow dryer to set you guys up and time lapse it. So after you're done with that, don't make your hair completely dry. Make it like a little, keep it a little bit moist. But so this is what I got right now. This is just for me using my hand or pick and just going through my hair and, you know, basically just doing this in motion while I blow dry it. So now if you see my hair is more poofy than it was. As you look at LaMelo Ball's hair, his hair is poofier. So that's what we're going for. I'm gonna set you guys up and now I'm gonna show you guys what to use in your hair to make it curly. Alright guys, so I'm back in the bathroom now, and now it's time to what I like to call curlize your hair. As you guys can tell, the back is still a little wet and the front is a little wet, but it's already becoming to take shape. So next we're gonna do, we have our Miracle Creator. You guys already know I love my Miracle Creator. I love my Matrix Watrix, you feel me? We got the, this is a color caring.
What's up, homie?
What's up, homie?
What you up to?
Just finishing the video right now, hair tutorial.
My bad.
You straight. Guys, this is Prince J on the phone.
Oh, you still recording?
I'm still recording.
What's good, y'all?
Still recording. Okay guys, so I got, you know, this is color caring oil, so it helps your hair stay in color. Because I know you guys use that fake bleach, because I don't use fake bleach. But anyway, what I like to do is, I like to first start my hair with the base of this. Okay, this will make your hair a little more moist than what it was, but it also has multitasking treatment. Oh yeah, Miracle Creator, it's a miracle, it creates miracles. So this is what I'm about to do.
You know another LaMelo Ball hair tutorial?
2018 updated, you feel me?
Hey, updated version.
It is the updated version, you feel me?
Yeah, new Fortnite update up.
Alright guys, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna spray this right here. You guys already seen my last video, you guys probably skip this step. But if you're new to this, what you're gonna do is get just a little dab this. But this stuff does smell good, but it's also expensive. Remember that, also expensive. So if you're trying to spend some money, aka ask your mama, then this is the way to go. Alright, so as you guys can see, that hair is looking kind of nice. Looking kind of spiffy. Just like 6ix9ine said, Blicky got the stiffy on. Okay. Wow, amazing. Alright, so okay, next after that you'll use your Matrix oil. This little bottle, so you don't want to use a lot. Use about a little pump, get that little pump. But no, okay, what you're gonna use about okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pump about, say 34. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rub it in your hands, rub it in your hair. And this is gonna create that nice, good, clean curl look, man. Oh no, I already look like LaMelo now. Big baller. But yeah guys, but yeah man, that's pretty much all it is. But yeah guys, look, that's all it really is, guys. My hair looks nice if you look in the mirror. Okay guys, but look, that's pretty much the video. If you want to look in the mirror, just peek it. Looks like LaMelo to me, you feel me? But yeah, see you guys, thank you guys for watching the video so much. If you stuck to the end, like the video, so comment, subscribe, share, you know all that. Let's see if this one can pass the other one. Let's see if this one can hit 100,000. Oh yeah, this has been your boy King J. If you guys want to see me play Fortnite, like the video, comment down below your favorite part of this video or something like that. I don't know, just comment something. I just like comments because I like reading them. I'm weird. Peace out everybody.